it's in pretty good condition.
It's not bad, man.
All right, everybody, I'm about to go for the scariest ride of my life in this street car, is what they say. So it's a 2001 Trans Am. It's a turbo car. What motor?
It's a 370 cubic inch.
It's got a PowerGlide in it. It's technically a street car, I guess. So we're gonna go for a little low boost ride in it, and RIP my life. But look at that thing, it's sneaky in there. You got a sneaky cat under your hood. Look at that. This thing is. So, look at that. He's got the exhaust coming out right there. So where's your wastegate dump now?
Straight down.
Just straight down. Little atmospheric dump. So this is Joseph's new car. He just bought it for the season. And I guess he's going to be the fastest car in Amarillo now. You're calling out Kevin for your first race, right?
Brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a legit race car, though. These wheels are all custom spec'd from RC. Full strange. It's a 9-inch rear?
It is.
9-inch rear, strange brakes all the way around. This is how you know you have a street car, when you have to take your hood off with a flathead. Street carring 101. Yeah, that's nice. So it's got the flip-up headlights.
It does.
It doesn't have the one where one's a lazy eye, does it?
Yeah. No. I see a lot of people like leave them like just half up.
Oh,
Okay.
this doesn't seem safe that it has like the T-top style shit.
Yeah.
That's a bad car. Alright, you need help taking the hood off?
Yeah, I'll need help. And then I got
Alright. What do we got going on back here?
streetcar necessities.
Is this your fuel cell? So it's just an ice tank. Wait, what's the one with the red cap? This guy, oh my. So it's on a full Holley EFI system. I don't know much about these cars, so Joseph's gonna teach me, obviously. Is it really? Oh my gosh, streetcar my ass. So okay.
All right, cut the video. Cut the video.
What's the, like a 5-gallon or something?
7 gallons.
Just 7, okay. It's even got the aluminum tray. Everything is lightweight back here.
Yeah.
So it's got the little push off for the battery, which you have to have when you're a fast car. Fast cars only.
You should have that. Bro.
Yeah, it's a scam. Why is your gas blue?
Food coloring.
Don't worry, this is just pumped 91 octane.
Mm-hmm.
For real, what does
Just
it run on though? 116?
C16. Yeah.
C6. Holy shit. Leaded or unleaded?
That would be leaded.
You could buy O2 sensors and spark
Yeah.
plugs. Well, that's all we could afford, so we'll see how far we
That
make
was
it.
about $40 in fuel.
So it's pretty cool. The fuel cell's connected to the ice tank. That's awesome. That's
Correct.
badass.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So what pumps are in it?
For
The fuel?
it has a Holley VR2 pump.
Sounds like a big ass pump.
It's like a $2,000 fuel pump.
Damn!
This car's peeing right now. So he's draining the ice tank. You're gonna put some nice cool water in there?
Yep.
Oh shit, we're going full send here.
Full send.
So it actually is a full interior car. Obviously it has Kirkies, but it's like mine. It's still full interior. Okay, Joseph, where's the radio? He doesn't have a radio. Don't some street...
No one told me I had to have a radio.
Shit. Was that on the rules? So I'm guessing, he's going to show me, but I'm guessing all these buttons are for the bump and to get into the staging lanes. And it's got a trans brake. I already said it's got a PowerGlide. Kirkies. It's a badass car. Looks like an 850 cert cage, I think. Double check with him. This is how to not waste time in the tank. Hopefully no one wants ice for their drinks later. Is this the special ice that Branson recommends?
It is.
It's got like a certain rating.
From Branson's fridge.
Yeah, It is cool though. It's still full interior. Like, yeah, there's no stereo, but like,
Yeah, no, there is
you
no
didn't
stereo,
know, like,
but it is.
that's freaking cool.
Yeah, it's considered.
Is this an 850 cage or a 750?
It's only 850.
850. We're gonna have to
I
reinsert
mean, that's
that.
as fast as it goes.
That's bullshit. We're gonna have to reinsert that here soon.
Yeah.
I can do that. I know a guy
Do you?
on YouTube. See, his ice tank actually seals. Mine doesn't.
Well, if I can figure it out.
Well, screw it. Let the ice go everywhere. Fuck the battery. There you go.
Yeah, you know that? My old bumper was cut out right here for cooling.
Oh, okay.
Haven't done that yet.
That turbo is massive. Holy shit. Oh my. It's bigger than my engine. Air to water intercooler. Man. Holy shit.
Hey, sir, you want to come with? Hop in the back seat?
We can listen to the radio.
What are you talking about? You're staying here with Parker.
Dang.
You're going to go take a part
I like it. Oh my. All right, give us like the quick basic rundown of the setup.
It is a 370 cubic inch stock block motor, trick flow heads, forced induction 98 millimeter turbo, air to water setup, Holley Dominator for the engine control.
It's pretty basic, honestly. Like if you think
It
about
really
it.
is, yeah.
Like,
There's nothing crazy.
there's lots of cars running out there like this, so it's just a fast ass car. Holy shit. We're gonna
Windows.
Yeah, it's still power windows, everybody. Man, it's honestly not that loud. I thought it'd be louder.
Turbo makes it quiet.
It's not bad. That's fucking sick. So there's the lines for the ice tank going to the back. And I don't have a seatbelt, so R.I.P. Dave. This is the end. Holy shit. I'm really close to the dash too, so we're only going on 10 pounds. This is low boost.
The airbag will save you.
I don't think there's airbags in here. That's bullshit. There's no airbags,
smart.
so you know, what can you do on 10 pounds? Not that much.
That's my shift.
Seems like a shift smooth.
Yeah, that's it.
Holy shit.
It's even got a GPS, so I can see how fast I'm going.
Little parachute handle. We're gonna pull that tonight.
It's not hooked. Oh, it's not another car. Yeah. Got a little more pop.
If the exhaust was in the back, it would not be that loud.
Oh yeah, it wouldn't be bad. That sounds loud
Yeah,
because
that's
it's right there,
yeah.
but it's really not bad.
Take the
That's pretty
T-tops
good.
off, you know.
Yeah, no, they come on.
Little cruiser.
Yeah.
I mean, he has a seatbelt, but he doesn't even use it, so.
I'm going with you, buddy.
We're going the drag strip private rental.
Yeah.
So is that the Holley gauge system?
That's
or
a
is it
Holley
someone else's?
digital dash. Yeah, it's all configurable, touchscreen and everything.
Man, that's sick. I like the carbon fiber.
Yeah, it looks good without all the radio and
Where's my
stuff.
volume now?
No volume. No air conditioning. Sorry, buddy.
What's the power button?
That's for the intercooler pump.
Oh shit! Remember to turn it on.
Yeah. Line lock.
Oh, okay, so there's your line lock right there. I thought that was your nitrous. Shit.
Blinkers work.
Yeah, street car, man. Is this the special road?
Not necessarily. Good shift there.
Smooth.
Nice and firm.
Butter.
Don't want to fuck around.
So what's the red and green button?
So red is trans brake, green is bump in, and then after I'm going, it's the scramble button.
For more boost?
Yep. More boost. Gotta have the CO2 to do it though.
Yeah, we don't have a CO2, so we're low boosted. driver. I kind of want to get one.
It's not bad.
Literally, if the exhaust wasn't there, it wouldn't even be that bad.
No,
It'd be quiet as shit, honestly.
it really would. Figure out that ding. I think the lights are left on, but they're not.
Oh shit, no power steering.
No.
Son of a bitch.
And it's got a spool.
Look at it. Had to work.
All sorts of street cars.
Only 10 pounds, everybody.
10 pounds a minute.
Pretty smooth.
10 pounds. That's not bad. You hold the trans brake.
So it's got the trans brake now.
Warren.
And we almost went through the ditch. Oh shit. That's fucking sick. Man, that's badass, dude. Holy shit. So that like you press it, it scoots you up. Holy shit. Fucking badass.
It's pretty cool.
Shit. So that's definitely the fastest car I've ever ridden in, and that was on low boost, only 10 pounds with a Joseph Street tune. So are you gonna tune by tomorrow?
Scott Clark with
Scott
Rail
Clark.
Tuners.
Is he pretty famous in the GM world?
He is.
So if you GM guys are watching, which you're probably not because you're a bunch of Mopar idiots like myself, you probably know who he is. But anything else about the car we're missing?
Nope. Just needs more power.
She needs more power. Okay, so what was 22 pounds probably you said?
22 to 24 pounds is where I hope to get it to.
Yeah.
Should've
And
made
that was
fun.
only 10 pounds, and that was pretty nasty. And with Joseph, 3,400 pounds, and he says he's gonna make it lighter, which that seems insane to me. Fuck.